Most Ford owners drive their truck or SUV every day without realizing they're only using about half of what it can actually do. Not because the features are complicated, but because Ford hides them inside system logic, not the manual. These aren't hacks, mods, or internet tricks. They're factory-built Ford systems. Once you understand them, the vehicle feels smarter, easier, and more intentional to live with. Let's start with the first one, because this is something every owner should have known from day one. Secret function number 10. Accessory mode without starting the engine. Most Ford owners press the start button out of habit, not realizing the truck or SUV doesn't always need to wake the engine. When you press the start button without your foot on the brake, the vehicle enters accessory mode. The screens come alive, the radio works, the windows move, and the cabin feels fully powered, yet the engine stays silent. This isn't a shortcut, it's intentional design. Ford engineers know that cold starts create the most wear inside an engine. Oil hasn't fully circulated yet, and metal parts haven't expanded to their ideal tolerances. Starting the engine just to adjust settings or wait in the driveway adds wear that does nothing for the vehicle. This feature is like letting your tools warm up before pushing them hard instead of slamming them at full speed immediately. Over time, avoiding unnecessary starts saves fuel, reduces emissions, and extends engine life. Many drivers assume the truck is half on or not operating correctly, but in reality, this is Ford protecting the drivetrain quietly in the background. Once you understand it, accessory mode becomes second nature. You stop treating the engine like a light switch and start using it with intention. That's how vehicles last longer. It also reduces short trip condensation inside the engine, which is a silent contributor to long-term internal wear. Ford didn't add this for convenience alone. They added it to protect engines that are expected to run reliably well past the warranty period. Now that you understand how Ford minimizes unnecessary strain, it makes sense to look at how they manage heat before you even open the door. Secret function number 9. Sunroof vent from the Key Fob. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of interiors. Dashboards crack, screens fade, and leather dries out faster when trapped heat builds inside a parked vehicle. Ford accounts for this by allowing owners to vent the cabin remotely. By pressing and holding the unlock button on the key fob, the windows drop, and on some models, the sunroof tilts open slightly. Hot air escapes upward before you ever sit down. This reduces the initial blast of heat and lowers how hard the air conditioning has to work. That matters because AC systems pull power, strain compressors, and add long-term cost if abused. Some drivers think this is accidental or unsafe, but it's controlled by Ford's body control module and stops instantly if the button is released or a door opens. Once you start using it in summer, it becomes a habit. You approach the vehicle, vent it, then get in comfortably. It's one of those features that feels small until you realize how much stress it prevents over the years. This also helps preserve adhesives behind interior panels and reduces thermal shock to touchscreens. Ford treats cabin heat as a durability issue, not just a comfort problem, which is why this system behaves consistently instead of randomly. From comfort, Ford smoothly transitions into real-world utility, especially for drivers who actually use their trucks. Secret function number 8. Independent bed lighting via the key fob. Ford trucks aren't designed only for driving. They're designed to work while parked. On certain models, the bed lights can be activated remotely without opening doors or starting the engine. This sounds simple, but the impact is huge. Imagine loading tools after sunset, unloading camping gear at a dark site, or grabbing supplies from the bed without waking the neighborhood. Instead of fumbling for a flashlight or firing up the truck, the bed lights come on cleanly and efficiently. This also ties back to Ford's philosophy of reducing unnecessary engine use. Lighting systems draw minimal power and are managed carefully to prevent battery drain. Many owners never discover this because they assume lights require ignition. Ford quietly proves otherwise. Once you use it, the truck feels more like a mobile workspace than just transportation. That's the difference between design for marketing and design for real life. It also improves safety by reducing missed steps and uneven footing at night. Ford understands that most truck accidents don't happen on the road. They happen while loading, unloading, or moving around the vehicle after dark. After utility comes security, and this is where Ford quietly saves owners time and money. Secret function number 7, factory door code recovery using 2 keys. Ford's door keypad system has been around for decades, and it exists for one reason: access without dependence. If the door code is lost, most drivers assume the dealership is the only option. That's not true. Ford allows owners to recover the factory code using 2 programmed keys in a specific sequence, which then displays the code directly on the dash. This isn't advertised loudly, but it's deliberate. Ford has always prioritized anti-lockout engineering. They know keys get lost, batteries die, and situations happen. By allowing recovery at home, Ford saves owners money and frustration while keeping control in their hands. This feature reinforces independence. You're not stranded. You're not forced into a service visit. You simply follow the process and move on. It's old-school reliability blended with modern electronics, and it shows how Ford designs systems for real ownership, not just the showroom. It prevents unnecessary security resets that can trigger warning lights or system relearns. Ford prefers owners solve simple problems themselves instead of introducing new variables through dealer-only interventions. Secret function number 6. Trailer tire pressure monitoring with add-on sensors. Towing changes everything. Weight increases, braking distances grow, and small problems turn serious fast. Ford understands this, which is why many of their trucks can integrate trailer tire pressure monitoring directly into the dashboard once external sensors are paired. Instead of guessing or pulling over constantly, the driver sees real-time pressure data exactly where it matters. This isn't a gimmick. A soft trailer tire creates heat. Heat weakens sidewalls, and that's how blowouts happen at highway speed. When a blowout occurs, the transmission absorbs shock, the suspension takes a hit, and control becomes unpredictable. Ford treats the trailer like an extension of the truck's own systems, not an afterthought hanging off the hitch. By monitoring pressure live, the truck helps protect itself as much as the load behind it. Confidence improves because uncertainty disappears. You're no longer wondering if something feels off. You know. This reduces fatigue on long trips and allows drivers to react early instead of dealing with damage later. Ford's approach shows respect for real towing, not weekend marketing. Once experienced, it becomes difficult to tow without it. More so, it helps balance tire wear across long hauls, reducing uneven loading and unexpected downtime. Ford understands that reliability during towing is about preventing small failures before they cascade into major repairs. As power demands grow during towing and work, Ford moves beyond monitoring and into intelligent power management. Secret function number 5, generator mode/utility idle override. Modern Ford trucks with Pro Power Onboard can do something most owners never fully explore. They can act like a generator without ever moving. By engaging utility idle or generator mode, the truck locks engine RPM at a controlled level to deliver stable electrical output. This isn't revving the engine mindlessly, it's precision. Think of it like having a commercial generator built into the frame. Job sites benefit because tools run smoothly without voltage drops. Emergencies benefit because refrigerators, lights, and heaters stay powered when the grid fails. Even tailgating becomes easier because power stays consistent without babysitting the throttle. Ford engineers protect the engine by keeping RPM steady, avoiding spikes that cause heat and wear. Many drivers assume idling equals abuse, but controlled idle is the opposite. It's measured and intentional. Instead of hauling a separate generator, maintaining another engine, and storing fuel, the truck becomes the solution. Once used, it changes how owners view what their vehicle is capable of when parked. This also reduces fuel waste compared to portable generators and eliminates cold start cycles under load. Ford designed this system so power delivery never compromises long-term engine health. From complex systems, Ford shifts attention back to something simple that many people overlook. Secret function number 4, the hidden physical key inside the key fob. Keyless entry feels modern until it doesn't work. Batteries die, handles freeze, electronics fail at the worst times. That's why Ford still hides a physical metal key inside the fob. It's not nostalgia, it's redundancy. This key allows manual door entry when everything else says no. Many owners carry the fob for years without realizing it even opens. Ford assumes problems will happen eventually, so they plan for them. This is old-school thinking applied to modern vehicles. No app, no signal, no charging, just access. When temperatures drop or electronics act up, this small piece of metal turns panic into a non-event. Ford understands reliability isn't about never failing. It's about still working when failure happens. That mindset is why this feature exists quietly in your pocket. This feature avoids forcing entry that can damage trim, seals, or window frames. Ford prefers a simple mechanical fallback instead of relying entirely on electronics that can fail under extreme conditions. From backup access, Ford transitions into advanced off-road control that most owners never test. Secret function number 3, trail control working in reverse. Off-road driving isn't about speed, it's about control. Ford's trail control works like low-speed cruise control for rough terrain, and surprisingly, it also functions while backing downhill. This matters more than people realize. Reversing down a steep grade requires feather-light brake input. One mistake and traction disappears. Trail control manages speed automatically, like having an experienced spotter controlling your descent for you. The driver focuses on steering while the system handles braking. It's calm, controlled, and precise. Very few owners use this because they don't expect it to work in reverse. But Ford designed it that way intentionally. Safety improves, confidence increases, and difficult terrain becomes manageable instead of stressful. This isn't about showing off. It's about getting home without damage. When used correctly, trail control feels like insurance you didn't know you had. Also, it reduces brake overheating on long descents and helps maintain consistent wheel speed on loose surfaces. Ford built this for control when gravity is working against you. From here, the focus naturally moves into how Ford personalizes the driving experience itself. Secret function number 2, door code linked to memory seats and mirrors. Most people think Ford's door keypad is just a backup way to unlock the vehicle. In reality, it's part of a deeper personalization system. On many Ford models, each door code can be tied to a specific driver profile. When that code is entered, the seat, mirrors, and sometimes the steering wheel move automatically to the saved position. There's no button pressing. There's no scrolling through menus. It simply happens. This matters most in shared vehicles. Families, work trucks, and couples all deal with constant readjustments that slowly wear down motors and patience. Ford eliminates that friction by letting the vehicle recognize who is getting in before the door even opens. The transition feels smooth and intentional, not mechanical. Over time, this also reduces strain on seat motors because settings aren't constantly being changed manually. Ford designed this to feel invisible. When it works properly, you don't think about it at all. You just get in and drive. That's the point. Seamless ownership isn't about flashy screens. It's about small systems quietly working together to save time and reduce annoyance. Once you experience this feature, the idea of sharing a vehicle without it feels outdated. It also prevents repeated seat motorcycling, which can shorten component life. Ford uses recognition instead of repetition to improve comfort and long-term reliability. Now, with personalization covered, it's time to slow things down and reveal the most overlooked ownership feature Ford offers. Secret function number 1, built-in VIN and window sticker decoder. Every Ford vehicle carries its full history inside the VIN, and Ford gives owners access to that information. By decoding the VIN through Ford's system, you can pull the original window sticker, including factory options, trim level, and original pricing. This isn't trivia, it's transparency. It's like finding the original spec sheet for a classic car without digging through old folders or faded paperwork. For current owners, this knowledge matters. It helps when ordering parts, verifying features, or understanding what was factory installed versus added later. For resale, it builds trust. Buyers appreciate proof, not guesses. Ford allows owners to know exactly what they own because confident ownership leads to long-term loyalty. This feature reflects pride in engineering and honesty in documentation. Nothing is hidden. Everything is traceable. Once you use it, the vehicle feels less like a mystery and more like something you truly understand. That clarity is rare, and it's intentional. This feature also protects buyers from misinformation and helps owners avoid paying twice for features they already have. Ford believes informed owners make better long-term decisions. Ford didn't hide these features to be clever. They built them this way because they expect owners to grow into the vehicle over time. The more you understand how your Ford actually thinks, the easier it is to live with, maintain, and trust for the long haul. If this helped you see your truck or SUV differently, consider subscribing for more real-world Ford insight, not hype. This is Vroom Diagnosis. Drive smart.